How to use PayPal Me. To begin, go to the PayPal.me registration page. You will be asked to pick a distinctive username, with PayPal suggesting options based on your existing information. Once you're satisfied with your selection, click on Grab It Now. Next, you'll encounter the option to either sign into your current account or create a new one. To establish a new account at no cost, navigate to PayPal's registration page. If you already possess an account, just log in. Prior to finalizing your account setup, you'll have the choice between a friends and family or goods and services account. Opt for the former if you plan to transfer money among friends, and select the latter if you intend to use PayPal for freelancing or purchasing and selling goods. Opting for a goods and services account provides the advantage of buyer or seller protection, though PayPal will levy a fee of 3.4% plus 20p per transaction. While you must make this selection during registration, PayPal.me allows you to adjust your account settings for individual payments as needed. PayPal.me also offers the option to customize your payment page. You can choose a background color, and adding a picture of yourself can provide reassurance to your friends or customers when making money transfers.